Welcome to WebShare Academy. Today I'll show you how to set up a proxy in FoxyProxy. Let's start. First, let's install FoxyProxy proxy extension. After installing the extension, click on its icon at the top and hit Options. Open the Proxies tab and add a new proxy. Now you will need to enter proxy server details. You can get 10 free proxy servers from WebShare by signing up. On the WebShare dashboard, open Proxy List. Since we want to connect to United States proxy server, we choose this proxy address. Back in FoxyProxy, give the proxy profile a simple name. Choose HTTP as the connection protocol. Left-click on the proxy address field and paste it into FoxyProxy hostname field. Do the same with port, username and password field. Save the changes. To connect to this proxy server, click the FoxyProxy extension icon and enable the proxy profile we set up earlier. You can check your IP on Google to make sure the connection is successful by searching My IP and testing your IP results. If you run into any problems, let us know in the comments and we will help you.